Video shows a helicopter tail spinning before colliding into the side of a mountain in Georgia and exploding as it tries in vain to reach stranded paragliders. The emergency team was attempting to help two people who became trapped on a cliff face when it crashed in Gudauri, a popular ski resort which becomes a hot spot for hang gliding and paragliding in the summer. Medics and rescue workers were on board. Local media reported that rescue workers were injured, though MailOnline could not independently verify the claims. APA reported there were 5 people on board, 2 pilots and 3 rescue workers at the time of the crash. People filming the crash can be heard gasping as it crashes into the mountainside, exploding in a cloud of black smoke and flames. A helicopter belonging to the Ministry of Internal Affairs, which was helping to rescue paragliders in Gudauri, lost control and fell down, said the Ministry of Internal Affairs. In addition to crew members of the helicopter, there were paramedics and medics of the Ministry of Internal Affairs. All the details about the incident are getting accurate, and the Ministry of Internal Affairs will provide additional information to the public. Helicopter crashes are not uncommon in Georgia, with the UK's Foreign Office warning travellers of the safety standards in the country. Be aware that, in some instances, safety standards may not be adequately observed, said the Foreign Office in its travel advice section. For example, several people were injured when a ski lift at Gudauri malfunctioned in March 2018 and a tourist helicopter crashed near Stepantsminda, Kazbegi, in spring 2019. Another 3 people died in 2019 after a helicopter belonging to a ski resort hotel crashed in the same region of Georgia. Two of those were crew members, while the third person was an employee of Rooms Hotel Kazbegi.